In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Zoho Creator. First things first, you'll need to access your Zoho Creator application. Once you've logged into your account, look for the specific application where you want to add your new form. Go ahead and click on that application to open it up. To get started on a new form, you'll need to enter the edit mode. This is usually done by clicking the Edit button, or you might see a gear or settings icon at the top of the application window, so click on that. Now that you're in Edit mode, you should see a Design window. Over on the left side, there's an icon for adding new components, probably marked with a plus sign. Click on that, and from the list that pops up, select the option that says Form. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to choose a method for creating your form. For this guide, we're going to select blank, or what's often labeled as from scratch. At this point, it's time to give your form a name. Choose something that clearly represents its purpose, like customer intake, order details, or employee leave request. Then simply hit the Create Form button, which will lead you to the Form Builder interface. The Form Builder is a handy drag-and-drop environment. You'll notice a variety of field types listed on the left side, like single line, email, date, number, currency, lookup, and so on. From here, it becomes very intuitive. You just drag and drop the fields you need directly into your form area. Once your fields are in place, you can configure them one by one. Just click on a field you've placed to open its field properties. Here, you can change its label or field name. Mark the field as mandatory if you require users to fill it in by marking it with a star or asterisk, set an initial value if there's default information you'd like to provide, and even add instructions or tooltips to guide users. You also have the option to apply validation rules, such as limiting the number of characters someone can enter into a text field. Now that your form is designed and configured, it's time to save your work. You'll typically find a Done button or something similar in the top right corner to finalize your form. An interesting thing about Zoho Creator is that it automatically generates a report for every new form you create, so you can easily view all the data collected from it. To check out your form in action, click on Access this application, usually another button in the top right. This will take you to where your live app is previewed. Click on your newly created form to see it live and ready for entries. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating a form in Zoho Creator. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful for your needs.